Morning, number 12. Notice I didn't say good. I said yesterday I thought I was out of the snow and ice, but I'm still not, and it's 10 o'clock on the morning 12th day, and it was like a hurricane. I was up on a ridge last night and it was cold. It's still cold. But I'm headed for Oracle. It's gonna be 0 time. My tent ripped some more last night in that wind, so I definitely need to go in and do some patchwork. I don't know about you, but if that sun ever stops coming out, I'm moving to a different planet. It's been so cold. Last night, I should really have a 2-man sleeping bag because I'm sleeping with my electronics, my gloves. My boots were frozen before I ever went to bed, so I knew I was going to have a problem in the morning, so I slept with my boots. My water filter. There's more in that sack than me. Anyway, the game plan today has changed. I was headed for Highway 77, which is mile 210. But this snow has put me so far behind, and I've got family coming in, so I'm gonna go to Oracle, get something to eat, and go back to the mothership. So these videos aren't to tell you when to hike the trail. Do I think January is a smart time to start? Not really. But I know these sky islands. I knew I could get through them, but it's not fun. It's not pretty. I still think March 1st or 15th is your best bet. But I'm not here to tell you that. I'm not here to tell you when to zero, where to zero. I'll show you what I can. The object of this is just to show you a day-to-day how beautiful the Arizona Trail is, the terrain, how it changes, the weather. Even though I'm getting snow, you could get snow in March too, so be prepared for something like that. The other thing is my tent. So where that rat chewed all the really structural guy outs that hold that tent shape, now it flaps in the wind, and last night where he chewed the fabric, it split about this far, which really surprised me because that Curlon is strong stuff. But when I woke up this morning, I've got a cut about that big, and so I've got a lot of patching and repair work, and hopefully Hilleberg can FedEx me some parts. But that tent owes me nothing. I've had that tent for, you know, if you break it down into how much a tent costs you per night to sleep in these expensive tents, it takes a while, but this tent owes me nothing. So just tucked over these lower hills here is the city of Tucson. You can see a long way. That odd-shaped mountain way out there is Picacho Peak. I've been to the top of that. And right down here is the biosphere. It was an experiment where people lived in a bubble, I guess, kind of like astronauts on Mars, seeing how that would work out. They all got fighting amongst themselves. It didn't work out so good. Here's some water that's not even frozen. And I'm not sure how the Navy got that submarine up here, but you don't have to climb that ladder and look, it's all right here.
you.